This is the model I've made for week 11 lab task 2 for PN 4036. This is the model, but if to turn this into a resource, I would prefer to go through the steps of assembling this sketch, this dynamic sketch with the students. Because if they look at it as it is now, they won't be able to follow what is where. So what I started off with was I showed my line or my cutting plane, which we see as an edge view, and the plane and then I put in my focal circle, my focal sphere, sorry. Um, and the main task here is to show students how the parabola is derived from a cone. And then once students have grasps and I've gone through each step of how it's built up, and the different relations between different parts and what parts are parallel and that the cutting plane is parallel to the edge view of the cone and that the directrix is perpendicular to this cutting plane. I then be able to show how all these relations react and how they act together when the parabola is moved, and we can see then the model changes as well. So what I've done then is to prove that this is the same shape as in here. I've drawn, I've created another sketch that comes out parallel to this face, so we can see that this parabola is the true shape, is the true curve. And to prove this to students, I just used the measure function, and I can take a measurement between these 2 points, and we can see it's 63.64. If I clear these and do the exact same over here, 63.64. This, I think that measure function will just sort of let students see in their mind, it'll help them visualize or help them understand to visualize these principles. And then just in here I have another principle that is simply the the center of the focal sphere lies on the bisection of this angle between the cutting plane and the cone. I don't have time to go through it now really, but it's just another element of the resource that will allow me to go through this whole topic with students, and it covers the topic quite in depth. Rather than just one key principle, it hits on lots and it can be used in different aspects of the lesson.